Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step evaluation using by the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, we solve the innermost parenthesis in which we have a 3 square minus 5. According to this, inside the parenthesis solve the exponents, par first and then subtract. So now 3 par square equals to 9, and according to bracket 9 minus 5 it will become 4. So now according to this first step, BODMAS says bracket has take the highest priority and inside the bracket par orders come before the subtraction. So now the current expression becomes 96 divided by curly braces 8 plus 4 curly braces of square bracket of multiply by 6 minus 20% of 50. Move to the next step. Next step says solve the curly braces. Now curly braces have addition. Now perform the addition inside the curly braces. 8 plus 4, it becomes 12. According to this step, curly braces are the next innermost layer of brackets that must be cleared before moving outward. And now the current expression becomes 96 divided by 12 square bracket of multiply by 6 minus 20% of 50. Now move to the third step. Solve the square brackets. In the square brackets, there is a division inside the square bracket. Now first we divide the values. 96 divided by 12, it becomes 8. According to this step, this clear the final layer of brackets, simplify the left hand side of the equation. And now the equation becomes 8 multiply by 6 minus 20% of 50. Move to the next step. Next step says solve the off part. Off part 20% of 50, it means 20% multiplied by 50. Now simply calculate it. 20 upon 100 multiply by 50, cut it down zeros and we'll get 10 as a result. According to this step, the O in BODMAS stands for off, which mathematically acts as a multiplication and it takes a priority over the standard multiplication and subtraction. Move to the next step, perform multiplication, and now the current expression becomes 8 multiply by 6 minus 10. Now perform multiplication. 8 multiply by 6 becomes 48. According to this step, multiplication takes the priority over the subtraction and now the current expression becomes 48 minus 10. Finally, we subtract the value. Subtraction is the final remaining operation in the expression. Now 48 minus 10 becomes 38 and 38 is the final result. So now according to this expression, conclusion says by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, moving from innermost brackets outward, resolving the pars and off operation and finally executing multiplication followed by subtraction. And the complex expression nearly reduced to a single value, which is 38. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.